In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a shopping wish list system in Notion. To get started, open Notion and head to the Getting Started page in your workspace. This is a helpful launch point because it usually includes quick links and a clear navigation area, which makes it easier to find templates without digging through menus. Once you are on the Getting Started page, look for the option called Explore and click it. Explore takes you into Notion's template and discovery area, where you can browse ready-made systems that you can add directly into your own workspace. Using a template is a fast way to build a wishlist system that already has a solid structure, and you can always customize it later after it is installed. In the search field, type the keyword shown in the instructions. As you type, you should see results update to match your search. Take a moment to scan the results so you select the correct template and not a similar one with a different layout. When you see the template named Shopping Wishlist, click on it to open the template page. This page usually shows a preview and a short description, which helps you confirm you are adding the right thing before you install it. Next, click Add. This tells Notion to copy the template into your workspace so you can start using it right away. Depending on your setup, Notion may prompt you with a small sharing or team-related option. If you see something like a member selection or a workspace sharing prompt, click the option that shows the member count, then select Skip. Just get template. This keeps things simple and brings the template into your workspace without changing any sharing settings. After that, you may see a highlighted area or a field where you can confirm the destination. Click the highlighted section, then choose Shopping Wishlist again when it appears. This final selection ensures the template is added and opened in the right place. Finally, click on Shopping Wishlist once more to open the page fully inside Notion. At this point, your shopping wishlist system is ready to use. You can begin adding items directly in the database, and as you use it, you can refine it to match how you like to shop and plan purchases. And that covers everything you need to know.